Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm here with a quick Legacy Collection scan code video. So these guys are the Legacy figures that came out recently. The Raptor pack is still available at Toys R Us here in Canada, and now recently we have the Dilophosaurus set. I can't remember if they'd fall under the Camp Cretaceous or was it Dino Escape scan code lineup, because I don't actually use the scan code app, surprisingly, but I'm assuming they fall under one of those categories. So I kind of feel bad for not including them in more recent videos, so we'll just dig right in and make sure that you guys have these scan codes. So here is the Dilophosaurus, and I'm assuming the Raptors share the same scan code, just because they're like the same color, but just in case they don't, I'll make sure to include both of them. So I hope you guys could get those, and if for some reason they didn't scan, let me know down in the comments, and I'll feature them in the next scan code video. Oh, we got all blurry, okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next episode, or video. Bye-bye.